Hello everyone. So this is the video that describes some problems of the wave equation that can be given in the competitive exams like NET, SLET, GATE, TAFR likewise. So these are helpful. I will just try to give you the idea of how to think about the solution by solving 5 or 6 problems. See, whenever the wave equation is given with some initial condition, it is said to be a Cauchy problem, and the solution for that is nothing but D'Alembert's solution, and the solution will look like exactly this. So this is the solution. Whenever the wave equation is given u double x equals to c square u double t, then you can think about, see, wave equation in general, it will be u double t equals to c square u double x. So c is the velocity of the wave and t is the time variable and x is the spatial variable. Now, once the wave equation is given, how to find the solution for such differential equation by looking into the options. That will give us the, you can think about some shortcuts. I will try to describe them. So first problem is u double x equals to u double t with some initial condition this. The first, what else given, u of x comma 0 without derivative, it is, say it is f of x, and this is, it is f of x comma t, and this is g of x comma t. Is it clear? The first equation, what else given, it is nothing but f, and the second equation, what is given, that is g. So I want f and g. Now I want to find what is the solution for this. If the options are given, just check for this. Find the double derivative and with respect to x, and find a double derivative with respect to t. Then apply this initial condition. If it satisfies, it is the answer. But you can think in that way also. You can play with the options, or else you can directly solve them. The first solution for the first question is u double x equals to u double t. F of x comma t is this. So solution 1, solution for the 1. So u of x comma t is, by the formula I have, of f of x plus ct. What is c here? If I compare this with respect to the standard wave equation, c square u double x. So here c square is 1, that means c is 1. What is f? F is x square. What is g? G is 0. So of f of x plus ct, that is f of x plus t, c is 1, plus f of x minus t, plus 1 by 2 into c is 1, integral x minus t to x plus t, g is 0, 0 into ds. So if I integrate this, the second term will be 0, so I am not bothered about this. Of what is f of x plus t? See, f of x is x square, f of x plus t is x plus t whole square plus x minus t whole square. So of, and this is nothing but 2 times x square plus t square. So it is x square plus t square. So this is the answer. In the options they may give likewise x square minus t square, x square plus t square likewise. But problem will be there if you have, let me say, option A is x square plus t square, and the option B is x square minus t square, and C is some x square plus 2t, and D is this. So now if I differentiate this with respect to x, it is 2x, and I will get 2 here. And if I differentiate this with respect to t twice, I will get 2 here. So here, if the answer is given, if I differentiate this with respect to x, I will get 2. If I differentiate with respect to t, I will get minus 2. So you can omit in that sense also, but it's left to you how you play with the option. If you take the problem if the answer is given to find u, you can play with the options. Is it clear? But here second problem is not that much direct. If the options are given, you can play with that condition. You can check the initial conditions. If not, see, look to the second one. Then find what is u of pi comma pi. So first you need to find u of x, then you need to plug in the value of that. So here you cannot play with the options, so you need to go in the same way. That's why I had expressed the first problem in the formula method. Solution for 2 is u of x comma t will be of, see, c is 1 here, f is, this will be f and this will be g. Is it clear? So what is the u of pi comma pi? So u of x comma t is of f of x plus ct. C is 1, so it is f of x plus t. F of x plus t is x plus t whole cube minus, sorry, plus f of x minus t, that is x minus t whole cube, plus 1 by 2 into integral x minus t to x plus t within the limit x minus t to x plus t. What is g of s? G of s is sin s ds. So now you need to find, don't calculate this value, just you need to find what is u of pi comma pi. Plug in pi. So what will be this of pi plus pi, 2 pi whole cube, then x minus t, pi minus pi is 0, so the second term is 0, plus 1 by 2 into, this will be pi minus pi is 0, pi plus pi is 2 pi, so 0 to 2 pi sin s ds. So your sin is nothing but this curve, so 0 to pi 2 pi. So if I integrate this and this, so this is positive and this is negative, so it will cancel, so this is 0. So it is 8 pi cube by 2, that is 4 pi cube. So option D. You can take less than 2 minutes to solve these kind of problems. By practice you can reduce the time also in this way. The second question is so if u double x is u double t, the wave equation, again c is 1 here and this is f of x and this is given by g of x, and given this condition, now you need to verify whether u of 1 is 1 comma 1 is 0, whether this is 0. We need to verify whether this will work. Is it clear? What is u of 1 comma 1? Already we know what is u of x comma t. It is half into f of x plus ct plus f of x minus ct plus 1 by 2c into integral x minus ct to x plus ct g of s ds. Now what is u of 1 comma 1? Whether it is 0. So it is half into f of x plus ct. C is 1. So let me say u of xt. It is x plus t plus f of x minus t plus 1 by 2 integral x minus t x plus t g of s ds. So plug in the first one, 1 comma 1, put x equals to 1, t equals to 1. So it is of f of 2 plus f of 0 plus 1 by 2. So this is 0 to 2 g of s ds. So we know f of x and g of x are 0. X varies from minus 1 to 1. In this region your f and g will be 0, but we don't know what will happen here and we don't know what will happen here. We are not sure about f and g, the nature of f and g in this portion as well as here. What will happen after 1, what will happen before minus 1. We are not sure about it because he has given f of x is 0 and g of x is 0 only from -1 to 1. Is it clear? So now what is f of 2? That is 2 will be here. What is f of 2? We are not sure. So not sure. F of 0 will be 0 because already it is given. G of s within the limit 0 to 2. 0 means here. Up to here we know f will be, g will be 0, but after this we are not sure. So this is also not sure. So we cannot say that will be 0. So first thing is we are not sure. Second is whether this is 0. U of -1 and 1. Same way you can show u of -1, 1. We don't know whether it will be 0. We cannot say. It depends upon f and g. But if it is given within this interval, somehow we can think about. If we think about the third one, what will be u of half and half? So it is half f of 1 plus f of 0 plus half, it is 0 to 1 g of s ds. So f of 1 already we know this is 0, f of 0 this is also 0, g of s within the interval 0 to 1 that is also 0. So everything is 0, so that is 0. C will be 0. Similarly you check for this, this and this. For this you will get 0, for this you will get 0, for this also you will get 0. Kindly check those things. Next problem is, see, if u double x equal to u double t, and this is f of x and this is g of x, and g of x is given 0, and f of x is given by this, where f of x is a periodic function of periodicity 1. Find what is u of 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we already know u of x comma t is half f of x plus ct plus f of x minus ct plus 1 by 2 x minus ct x plus ct g of s ds. So what will be u of 3 by 2? 1 by 2. So it will be half, c is 1 here, so x plus t is what? That is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 2. What is x minus t? 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, so it is 3 minus 1 by 2, so it is 1. So f of 2 plus f of 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 to 2 g of s ds. What is f of 1? See, f of x is given to be this for all x varies from 0 to 1. So f of 1 will be 1 into 1 minus 1. So this is 0. So this term is 0. But what is f of 2? Put x equals to 1. F of 2 will be f of 1. But f of 1 is 0 again. Plus 1 by 2. G of x is given 0. There is no restriction. So this is 0. That means half into 0. So half 0 plus half 0. So it is 0 plus 0 is 0. Is it clear? Since he had given periodic with periodicity 1, I can find f of 2. That's all. Then question number 5 says, if u double x equals to u double t, here also c is 1 and f of x is this, g of x is this. If f and g are odd functions, find x plus t at 0 comma 1. That is, we already know u of x comma t is half into f of x plus ct plus f of x minus ct plus half into integral x minus ct x plus ct g of s ds. So if I solve this with c is 1, so this will be x plus t x minus ct. Is it clear? I am just taking c equals to 1. So what is 0 comma 1? That is, put x equals to 1. So it is f of t plus t is 1 means f of 1, f of minus 1 plus g of x is of x minus t, that is put x equals to 0 and t equals to 1, minus 1 to 1 g of s ds. Here given f and g are odd functions. If f is an odd function, f of minus 1 will be minus f of 1. So if I plug it here, it is f of 1 minus f of 1. So the first term is 0. Again I have g of x is an odd function. If it is an odd function, see the sin x is there. If it is an odd function, if I integrate within some 2 interval here, minus 1 to 1 is there. Here let me say 0 to 2 pi. It will cancel because this is the positive area and this is the negative area. Likewise here also this will also vanish. So of 0. So the value is 0. U of x comma t at 0 comma 1 is 0. Since it's an odd function, I can have this. Is it clear? Then this is one question asked in the net. Find the bound for u with this condition. So what is the bound for u? So u of x comma t already we know it is of x plus ct f of x minus ct plus 1 by 2 into x plus ct, sorry, x minus ct x plus ct g of s ds. Put here he had given what is the bound for u. So here given f, the maximum value of f is 1. So let me think about that. What will be the maximum value? And g is given to be 0. So this is 0. That means second term you can neglect that. So maximum f of x is less than or equals to 1 means what? The maximum value is 1. The minimum value is minus 1. So what will be the maximum value? So of 1 plus 1. So it is 1. What is the minimum value? Of minus 1 minus 1. So it is minus 1. So maximum value of u is 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. That means u is less than or equals to 1. It is less than or equals to minus 1. This implies u is less than or equals to 1. So the bound for u is 1. Option A. Is it clear? Likewise you can solve. You can practice few more problems and you can solve the net questions. You just take the previous year question papers and try to solve. And you can play with the options. Just take your own time in the beginning. You practice it, then if you look into some 20 problems, then you will get the clarity of how to use it. You can make yourself comfortable in solving these kind of questions. Easy to solve. Kindly think about this.